Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I want to talk a bit about a Kickstarter that is launching tomorrow, and I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I am merely super hyped for the Kickstarter and hope to get as many people on board as possible because I want all the stretch goals. And it is, of course, the Prancing Peacock Kickstarter, which is the second Dunkeldorf Kickstarter. And I was a huge fan of the first Dunkeldorf Kickstarter. Got a lot of nice metal minis from that. And this seems to me that this next Kickstarter will be packed with cool miniatures. Um, the whole thing has a tavern theme to it, so there will be sitting people, standing people, people playing music, people drinking, serving beer, all that jazz. Of course, this will not be the minis you use to fill out your dungeons, but the adventurers can't be in dungeons all the time. And I think it's really nice to, when I introduce an NPC, be able to pop a mini on the table and say he or she looks like this. The minis themselves will be metal, while bigger stuff, I imagine the furniture and stuff, will be in resin. And that doesn't bother me at all anymore. I'll admit, when the first Kickstarter launched, I was a bit on the fence, thinking old metal miniatures and detail level and stuff like that. But the detail level on the minis from the first Kickstarter is great, and I imagine it'll be the same for the second Kickstarter. Also, the metal miniatures lend themselves really well to the old hammer feel, which I find kind of charming. Nikki and Nana from King Games, who are the people behind the Dunkeldorf Kickstarters, also said they would send me some stuff to preview. So next week we'll have an in-depth look at what's going on. We can have a look at the Kickstarter itself, as well as some samples of the miniatures. So I think that that'll be really interesting. So yeah, jump over to Kickstarter and let's work together to get all the stretch goals. There were a lot of cool stretch goals in the first campaign, so I imagine the second won't be any different. And tune in next week, as said, for an in-depth look at the campaign and what's available, what's going on. And yeah, till next time, take care and bye bye.